In this connection, let us discuss no detention policy. That means a student would not be detained. In India, according to 2009 educational policy, up to his age of 14, that is up to class 8, a student would not be made fail, because if he is failed, therefore many of them who come from mainly first generation family, first generation learners, they become dropout students. So they should be given chance to study, they should be given chance of good companion. So no detention policy in India as well as in many countries are going on. Our next concept is philanthropy and misanthropy. Philanthropy means humanism. You would love the world and people of the world. And misanthropist, if you are a misanthropist, therefore you are a hater of the world and its people. What is narcissism? It is our next concept, that is concept number 9. If you are too fond of yourself, it is called narcissism, self-love. Who is a misogynist? A misogynist is he who hates the woman. In patriarchal society, there are many misogynists. Our 11th concept is sadism. And from that sadism comes the word sadist. Who is a sadist? A sadist is he who takes pleasure, gets pleasure by inflicting pain to others. অন্যকে কষ্ট দিয়ে যে আনন্দ পায় সেই হচ্ছে sadist বা মর্ষকামী. In our next concept, there are 3 interrelated terms: theist, atheist and agnostic. A theist is astic who believes in God. Atheist is Nastic who doesn't believe in the existence of God. And agnostic is that person who tells, I do not know whether there is God or not. I cannot tell it. He is called agnostic or Agyabadi. In our next concept, that is 12th concept, we would discuss colonial interest or imperialism. Actually, many countries in their powerful condition wanted to stretch their empire by occupying various other countries. Particularly the white stretched their empire in the black land. It is called imperialism or colonial interest. Our next concept term is apartheid. Apartheid is color discrimination. If the white dislike and hate and practice that hatred in their behavior and social pattern, that is called apartheid. In many countries apartheid was there. Nelson Mandela fought against apartheid, that is color discrimination. Our 14th concept is carpe diem theory. The carpe diem theory stresses khao pio jio, that means eat, drink and be merry, or rather time is fleeting, catch the time. In this way it stresses carpe diem theory. In our 15th point, we would discuss flat characters and round characters. Flat characters are those characters throughout a story or throughout a novel who do not change in their behavior, and round characters, they go through various changes in course of the 16th headline is yellow journalism. Yellow journalism means partial journalism or rather fake journalism. Our 17th concept is nepotism, that is nepoe mare doi, that means giving undue advantage to our relatives or near and dear ones. In our 18th concept, we would discuss the difference between fable and parable. Fable is the story where only animals take part and they talk in human language. But in parable, animals and human beings both take part and they talk. Suppose we see a man is talking to a lion and so on. It is parable. Utopia, that means very good but all moonshine, that is অবাস্তব কিন্তু খুব ভালো সব পেয়েছির দেশ, that is utopia. And where everything is bad, that is horrible, disastrous, that is dystopia. Our last concept of today is megalomaniac. I am not a megalomaniac. I collect and learn from many persons in every moment, even from you also. I am inclined to learn. So if you can, you suggest some terms, at least one terms which you have heard in the comment box, and like and share if you like it, and give your suggestion also. Subscribe my channel, Shobhan's Class Talk. And megalomaniac is he who think himself hambara. Hambara means who knows everything. He thinks himself so. He is called megalomaniac. With that 20 concepts, today we have done our discussion. In the next video, I would try to give you something new. And if you learn these 20 concepts, I think it would help you to some extent.